Welcome back to the Excel Skills for HR Professionals course by Unova HRMS. In this chapter, we'll learn how to enter HR data, apply basic formatting, and clean simple data issues in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. To begin, open your Excel sheet that already contains employee details. This sheet includes information such as employee ID, employee name, department, and designation. We'll use this existing data for the steps in this chapter. Use the Tab key to move to the next cell and the arrow keys to navigate between rows. This helps keep your data aligned and structured. Now, let's apply some basic formatting. Select the first row, which contains the column headers. Look at the Excel ribbon at the top and make sure you are on the Home tab. In the Font section, click on the B icon to make the headers bold and easier to read. Next, let's adjust the column width. Move your cursor between two columns at the top and double-click. This ensures all text is visible without cutting off any data. Clean formatting makes HR data easier to read and review. Next, let's clean duplicate records. Select the entire employee data table. Go to the Data tab and click Remove Duplicates. Keep Employee ID selected and click OK. Excel automatically removes repeated entries and confirms the result. This step helps maintain accurate employee records. Now, let's remove extra spaces from the text. Click on an empty column. In the first cell, type equals trim, open bracket, select the name cell, and close bracket. Press Enter. The extra spaces are removed from the text. You can drag the formula down to clean the remaining names. Once done, you can copy the clean values and paste them back as values. These simple steps help you keep HR data clean, readable, and reliable for further analysis. That's it. You now know how to enter HR data, apply basic formatting, and clean common data issues in Microsoft Excel. You can follow these same data entry and cleaning practices while managing employee records in Unova HRMS to ensure your HR data remains accurate and well formatted. Thank you for watching.